Air Conditioner Manufacturing Company, TACC, was put into operation in 2017 with an area of 3,000 m², specializing in manufacturing and supplying truck and bus air conditioner and air conditioning components, such as condenser, radiator, hose and pipe, for trucks, buses and passenger cars, with a total capacity of 160,000 products/year. To become the leading air conditioner manufacturer in Southeast Asia and an OEM air conditioning component supplier for outstanding auto brands worldwide, the company has invested in technology lines imported from Korea, producing various products to meet strict customers' requirements. The products have been exported to Italy, Poland, Korea, Portugal. The company focuses on R&D activities through research, design, and development of air conditioning components, such as condenser and radiator, based on specialized design and simulation software. Besides, we constantly train and improve our R&D engineers' capacity to develop various products, meeting the customer's unique demands. The company invests in modern machinery and equipment imported from Korea in the following production lines. The condenser and radiator production line has a fin mill machine that can process fin thickness from 0.08 to 0.2 millimeters. And a core builder machine has standard heights from 10.8 millimeters to 48 millimeters. Because of controlled atmosphere welding methods, condensers and radiators are highly resistant to chemical corrosion. They also can withstand pressure up to 40 kg/cm². After the controlled atmosphere welding stage, products will be tested for leaks with helium gas. With its small molecular size, helium gas can diffuse through even solids. This is today's best testing method for leaking air conditioning systems. Until now, the company has supplied more than 400 types of condensers with more than 10 different fin specifications to serve the after-sales market. Products are used for Kia, Fuso, THACO, and other automotive brands. The company's products include truck condenser, bus condenser, passenger car condenser and radiator. The hose and pipe production line is closed from input to output. The line is equipped with many modern equipment, such as forming machines with a variety of standard applied pipe sizes from 09 to 019 mm, a CNC bending machine with pipe length from 40 mm to 2000 mm, and an aluminium tube brazing machine with air pressure 4 to 5 kg/cm superscript 2. In addition, we use flux chemicals to help the product be highly resistant to chemical corrosion. Products are assembled and tested for leaks using nitrogen gas at a pressure of up to 40 kg/cm². The product is of outstanding quality and meets high technical requirements, used for trucks, buses, and passenger cars. The entire production process is strictly controlled at each stage according to the standards of Quality Management System IATF 16949:2016 and Environmental Management System ISO 14001:2015. Besides, the operating and production deployment is implemented based on the manufacturing execution systems with appropriate adjustments. Thanks to a proper investment strategy and a streamlined and closed production chain, the company exports 70,000 radiators, 17,000 truck and bus air conditioners and 11,000 sets of passenger car air conditioning components each year with $14 million in total revenue. Air conditioner manufacturing company is gradually increasing its competitiveness, deeply participating in the OEM supply chain and moving towards the goal of becoming the leading car air conditioner manufacturer in Southeast Asia.